Hello everyone, myself Rajkumar and my topic is radar equation and the minimum detectable signal. First of all, what is a radar? A radar is an electronic device which has the capacity to both transmit or receive data in the form of analog. The radar will get the will send a beam of continuous beam of signal into the space, and if any target is there in between the radar radars and signals, then will be echo will be received back within a fractional time. Due to this, an echo will be appeared in the radar pulses. To determine the range from the radar to the target where the echo is occurred, there is an equation which is determined by, which is also called as radar equation or radar range equation. For a radar, it has a both transmitted power, received power, and a gain. The distance between the radar and the target where the echo is occurred is defined by the term R, which is equal to range. Therefore, the standard form of radar range equation is also called as the simple form of radar equation. For a radar, the power density from isotropic antenna at a target location is PD, which is equal to PT by 4 pi r square. PD equal to density power, where PT equal to the transmitted power from the radar. R is the range between the radar and the where the echo is received. Every radar has an antenna, and that antenna has a gain. Due to this, the power density is equal to Pt into G by 4 pi r square. Every radar has a cross sectional area A, which is equal to sigma by 4 pi r square. The power radiated in the radar due to radar cross section area is equal to Pd, which is equal to Pt into G by 4 pi r square into sigma by 4 pi r square. We have discussed earlier that a radar is an electronic device which transmits and receives the data. We have now transmitted the power, which is in the form of Pd. Pd is equal to Pt into G by 4 pi r square into sigma by 4 pi r square. Now the received power, which is depends upon the radar effective aperture, is equal radar effective aperture, which is defined by AE. Therefore, the total received power is equal to is PR, which is equal to PD into AE. Now substituting the PD equation in the PR, which is equal to PD into AE. Therefore, PT is equal to PR is equal to PT into G by 4 pi r square into sigma by 4 pi r square into effective aperture, which is equal to AE. Now doing some mathematical calculations, we will get radar equation R is equal to under root of Pt into G into sigma into AE by 4 pi whole square into PR whole power 1 by 4. Now the minimum detectable signal. The minimum detectable signal can be obtained by substituting in place of R is equal to R max and received power PR equal to S minimum, where S minimum is the minimum detectable signal. We know that radar equation R is equal to under root PT into G into sigma into AE by 4 pi whole square into S minimum. Now we can modify the above equation by substituting the gain and effective aperture formulas. We know that from antennas and wave propagation, we know that gain is equal to 4 pi into AE by lambda square. AE is equal to effective aperture and lambda is equal to wavelength. Now substituting the gain equation in the radar equation, we will get R maximum is equal to PT into G into sigma into AE square by 4 pi lambda 4 pi whole square into 4 pi into lambda square into S minimum whole power 1 by 4. The effective aperture AE is defined is equal to G into lambda square by 4 pi. Now substituting the effective aperture in the above radar equation, we will get R maximum is equal to PT into G square into lambda square into sigma by 4 pi whole square into S minimum whole power 1 by 4. This is the modified or the minimum detectable signal equation. Here the minimum detectable signal is S minimum. By interchanging this, we will form the S minimum equations. From this equation, we will calculate the radar range between the radar and the where the echo is received, and the transmitted power, gain of the antenna, minimum detectable signal. Thank you.